In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use augmented reality and 3D models in Shopify to enhance your product pages. Whether you're trying to boost customer confidence, reduce returns, or you simply want to create a more immersive shopping experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. AR can truly change how customers interact with your products, and the best part is, it's easier to set up than you might think. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Products section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, select the product you want to enhance with a 3D model. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this setup starts right inside the product editor. Next, scroll to the Media area at the top of the product page. This is where you upload images, videos, and 3D files. Simply drag and drop your 3D model file, specifically in GLB format, directly into this section. You'll see the file upload automatically, and Shopify will process it for AR compatibility. Follow the on-screen indicators as they appear. Everything is designed to be smooth and user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated here. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your 3D model is optimized and not too large. Confirm the file is in GLB format and double-check that your theme supports 3D and AR features. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent display issues across different devices. Once you've completed these steps, save your product and preview it on your storefront. After that, you should be able to see a 3D view and AR option on supported devices without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the product on a mobile phone to experience the AR feature the same way your customers will. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and delivers a truly engaging experience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add augmented reality and 3D models to your Shopify store easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?